welcome to our MVM Pharmacy Department YouTube channel. Students, today we will discuss about three main important points. First is eye drops, second point is eye lotion, and third one is ear drop. Student, these are very important topics actually. Like if we talk about pharmaceutics, then we have to deal with the sterile preparations also, and these all are the sterile preparations. So we will start one by one. Number one is eye drop. So students, what is eye drop? Eye drop are first of all the isotonic sterile preparation, and it should be free from the contamination. अगर मैं सिंपल ही भाषा में समझाऊँ आप लोगों को, स्टेराइल मतलब आपको उसको ऑटोक्लेविंग करनी पड़ेगी, ऑटोक्लेविंग या फिर किसी ऐसे बैक्टीरिया प्रूफ फिल्टर उससे आपको उसको पास करना पड़ेगा, या फिर तीसरी चीज़ अगर मैं बात करूं तो आपको किसी बैक्टीरियासाइड एजेंट के साथ उसको आपको हीट करना पड़ेगा, तो आप स्टरलाइजेशन कर पाएंगे. सेकेंड जो इसके अंदर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि इसके अंदर क्या होता है कि इट इज़ आइसोटोनिक. आइसोटोनिक आप लोग समझते हैं, आइसोटोनिक मीन्स कि it should have the same osmotic pressure, because like when we are preparing any solution, then it must have some same tonicity actually, same tonicity in comparison to like I think you have heard about 0.9% weight by volume NaCl solution, that is isotonic with our blood. Like if we are using eye drop, if we are preparing eye drop, then if we are preparing this eye drops, then we have to incorporate eye drop into the eyes, and it means it should be isotonic with our lacrimal secretion. So here you see isotonic with lacrimal secretion, जो हमारे tears होते हैं, आंसू होते हैं, उसके साथ isotonic होना चाहिए. Next, it should be buffered also. Buffered होने से क्या फायदा होगा, वहाँ पे जो pH है वो pH maintain रहेगा, fluctuation नहीं होंगी और जिसकी वजह से irritation नहीं होगी. एंड फ्री फ्रॉम द फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स. फ्री फ्रॉम फॉरेन पार्टिकल मतलब कोई भी कंटामिनेशन उसके अंदर नहीं होना चाहिए. इन सिंपल वर्ड, दीज आर स्टेराइल सॉल्यूशंस और सस्पेंशन ऑफ ड्रग्स दैट आर इंस्टिल्ड इनटू द आई. जो सी भी अफेक्टेड आई होगी या फिर फिजिशियन जो भी प्रिस्क्राइब करेगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको यूज करना है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज like when we are talking about it should be free from the contamination, then we have to incorporate some preservatives into it. Like if we talk about preservative, then we have preservative like phenyl mercuric nitrate in the concentration of 0.002%. Then we have benzalkonium chloride in the concentration of 0.01%. Then we have chlorhexidine acetate in the concentration of 0.01% may be used. And it is mainly used as antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, anesthetic and myotic property. Like as I have discussed about the sterilization, sterilization should be done by the autoclaving. Autoclaving works on the principle of moist heat sterilization with bactericide at 98 to 100 degree Celsius. This we have to keep in mind. And for the packaging, we have to use neutral glass containers. Along with like we have to cover that particular container also. Then teat are made up of rubbers, and it should not be like, it should be compatible with the material also. The eye drop which we are preparing should be compatible with the rubber which we are using in the teat. Now like there are few precautions which we have to consider. Number one, never touch the dropper surface. Number one point. Second point is never use eye drop that have changed its color because it is too risky. Third one is never rinse the dropper. And the important point is after installation of drops, do not close your eyes strongly, tightly actually, and do not blink your eyes in a very repetitive manner, because like some patients used to do like blinking, like so much blinking is there. Okay. So this is all about eye drops. Now we will discuss about eye lotion. Eye lotion is similar actually. It is aqua solution which is used for washing the eyes, and it is supplied in concentrated form. Some concentrated form में हमें supply करना पड़ता है, but required to be diluted with warm water before use. Next point is again it should be isotonic as we have studied in eye drops, and free from the foreign particles too. In order to avoid the contamination, we can use preservatives also. It should not be stored for more than 2 days after opening. This you have to keep in mind. Like once we have opened the container, once we have opened the eye lotion, then it should be used within 2 days after opening. Then chances are there of oxidation and contamination. Examples are sodium chloride eye lotion, sodium bicarbonate eye lotion. Now the third most important is eardrop. Again, the special auxiliary label for the eardrops is drops to be instilled into the affected ear as directed by physician. Like, what is the use of eardrop? Eardrops are used for cleaning the ears, used for softening the wax, and for treating the mild infection. These are the few basically uses of eardrops. And if we talk about like how we can prepare eardrops, what are the composition required? Solution is prepared in the water, glycerin, propylene glycol, or dilute alcohol. We can basically incorporate, we can dissolve the medicament with the help of these vehicles. And examples are sodium bicarbonate eardrops, phenyl glycerin eardrops. These are the few examples of eardrops. I hope you understand all the concept related to the eye drops, eye lotion and eardrops. Thank you so much, students.